folks, it is Rag Eye here again. Today we're at my buddy's house and we're gonna tune this tractor up. bx1860. I brought a little seafoam from home. Just a little tiny bit. One ounce, 2 ounce. There's not much left in there. Just finish the bottle off. And now we'll let this tractor warm up. See how it runs. Oh no, is it doing this thing? Is it? It's doing that thing again. Anyway, gotta let it warm up a little bit. Engine oil, Pontiac Super UDT, 2 fuel filters, engine oil filter, hydraulic filter, air filter, and new blades. Woo! This baby warm up for a few minutes, get some coffee, and we'll be back. Part 2. Next, I'm gonna get the front grill removed. So my tools off for that. Now, remove the grill guard. We need to get the cowling off. I don't think there's any fit, if I remember correctly. This is not a how-to video. My bad. My bad. There's all those bolts falling out. Yep. 17 and 19. Next, let's get this cowling off. Hiding in here is this little sneaky tab. Before that though, oh, I need a wrench. It's a 12. Cheated and I brought some work tools. Let's take these things right out of the way. Everyone knows how much of a pain in the they can be. Just put these in the cup holder. Let's go back here. That little guy there. In case anyone really watching, is the directions for what I'm doing is right here. Took me a while to figure those out a long time ago. Come on, baby, now it's just a shake it, shake it out. Come on, around the exhaust. Careful. No one misses this design. Alrighty, now we can put that away, open this up. Now we can access oil filter, filter, and alright, let's come back for... Alright, now the next step is not to make a mess. 14 millimeter. No, maybe. Brand new socket. There we go. There we go. All the way on. Oop. We can pull the dipstick out. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Of course, every time I come here, it's always windy. Which is not often. Am I buckled down? Oh my God. Alright, I'm gonna come back. Oil filter swap. It's too windy. I have to do it quick. I think I prepped. Oh my god. Brand new bottle. Oh, nice. You have to worry about getting that tin foil in there. Just a little prime don't hurt. Let's see how tight I put this on from last time. Ah, thank you. That oil is pretty much all stop driven. Yeah, we're filming right now. Yeah. It's fine. But yeah, let it warmed up. I had a little seafoam left over from my last oil job, so I put it in there, and the oil comes right out. It's not even dripping anymore. Helps it get it all out. And then of course it starts getting wicked windy. And always want to make sure the old gasket came off with the old filter. I've learned that mistake. Not a fun one, but sometimes when you get the opportunity to do something many times over and over again,
yeah, you don't want to.
Crap happens, especially when you do things outside in the cold weather. That was one of those cases. That's never again.
I might even take a picture. You don't mind.
No, man, not at all. I see you don't mind that. Alright, that's good. Not too tight. Alright, man. Let's get the drain plug back in and fill it with oil. At least we'll have this phase done.
How often are you going to change the axle fluid?
I'm gonna change it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's better that you just change it, because probably didn't get changed since 2 years ago last time I was here.
Yeah.
It is a little windy. It is certainly making it fun. Yep. I hope not, but yeah.
Down between houses.
Yeah.
By the pool.
Okay.
First patio door, the slider.
Sure.
Go in there, through the other door. It's right on the left.
All right, man. Thank you.
I left it unlocked. I told my wife that it was unlocked and everything.
Oh, thank you. I'll have to, if I have any, I'll try to save some. I only have so much footage to get. I'll try to save some to get a sneakier little addition to the side of the house over there. I'm gonna check that out.
Your coffee up a little bit, the micro?
No, it's all right. It's my second one, so I should probably start drinking water soon.
Yeah, there's a case of water right there.
Thank you.
All right, he should be here in a little bit, and he's coming now, so he'll probably still be here.
I'll be here for a little bit, no doubt. Let's check the oil. Oh, just need a little bit more. It's an 1880, so they fill up quick. Oh, why is it gotta be so windy? Oh, perfect. Just a little past that second drill mark. Ooh. So we'll run it a couple times. That oil filter will fill up, and we'll check it. There's the belt feel. Seems alright. Have to clean this up a little bit, but alright, filter, engine oil, done. Let's put this in a safe spot for now. Now we'll come back and do, so we'll do the fuel filter and air filters next. Air filter. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, these things can be cranky, huh? Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. So I can do this one first. And that one. Ugh. Careful. Oh yeah. Ugh. There's one thing you really want to keep clean on your tractor. And it's the easiest thing to do every day is just to pull it up, clean it. And have a new one of these on the shelf at all times. Oh yeah, when I got my first diesel, my old man almost lost it. Alright, air filter. Easy clean. Fuel filters, everyone's favorite. Alright. Let me find my tools and be right back. Alright, let's try to make quick work of these fuel filters. 10mm on the loosen. Plenty of catch basin if I make any mess, or after the fuel pump, so it shouldn't be too bad. I thought I had linesman pliers. I don't. I have to use these, so guys, but I do have this, and usually always works. Ooh, there it goes. There it goes. How much mess you gonna make? Get on there good. Boop. Different spot. Oop. Did I get it? There it goes. Oh, I love these things. And I always make sure the fuel filter. So I'm gonna put it right there for now. Definitely helps if you put these fuel filters on in the right direction. Little arrow. Sneak these clamps back on. Well, bring my linesmans next time. Yeah, I don't do this often, folks. This is the only tractor I tune up. People I work with are gonna see this. Fortunately, they'll probably watch the whole thing. But there we go. There's the front fuel filter. And everyone's favorite is next. The one downtown here. I'll just keep the film going. I don't think I have a lot of room. Oh my god, if I remember correctly, there's a guard down here I need to remove. Yep, totally. Alright, just for time's sakes, I'm not going to film this part because I don't have a lot of time on my GoPro. It's literally just 4 14mm nuts and bolts, and we'll get this cover off, and round 2. That's pretty easy. The only fun part is just probably this guard gets bashed and getting these bolts out and jiggling them out one at a time. Ooh, I got 'em. Oh, just put that there, the hardware there. Oh my god, and now for the most painful fuel filter one that's created. Alright, got a little 10mm bolt there. Oh my god, there's no room for me. And I don't think I have safety glasses, and I wish I did. I really wish I did. And just put this clamp here. I'm just gonna get this clamp right out of the way for now. Ooh, it's just a removable zip tie. We can put that back. Hopefully the wind doesn't take it for a ride. Next, I brought my fuel. Supposed to brought my fuel clamp to work, so I made a makeshift one. See how it goes. Oh, what do you say? Really wish I had safety glasses. I closed my eyes just in time. Oh my god. And the wind's taking it. The wind's taking all the debris right in my face. Oh my god. Even more of it. Make it stop. Make it stop. These are... That's too tight. Okay, about that. That feels good. That feels alright. Yeah, because this is actually the most important fuel filter you change. So I can see all the debris in there. It's gross. The first one. Oh my god, wear safety glasses doing this job, folks. And I would get linesman's pliers. Oh my god, this is gonna be difficult. Oh my god. It's like when you forget that one tool. When the camera's falling off. I know what to do. I know what to do. Mayday. Mayday. Let's let it regroup for a second. Oh. anything about it. Oh my god, I think I can get it from here. Alright. Oh my god. I have the check for a better piece of tool. And I got something in my eye. Losing stuff. I gotta check for safety glasses. I'm gonna need my tool. And we're gonna need this. I should probably just do this right under here so we don't make too much of a mess. What do you say? You wanna cooperate? I think so. Right there. Here we go. Loosen this one a little bit. You know and I know this one tends to make the biggest mess. Okay. Direction. Try to get this socket on the trash here. Let's get this here. I just kind of have to go for it now and hope for the best. Alright, my clamp works pretty well. Oof. Okay. Let's get this thing up down just right. Oh yeah, right there. You wanna work one more time? Oh, I don't know if it's gonna work on this one. This one's a little bit. Oh, Klein's the best. Hey, we got lucky. We didn't make too much of a mess. Okay, let's get this clamp off. And out. Clamp back on the fuel filter. Where it goes. Put my tool on. Tightening mode. Carefully cross tight it. There we go. Boom. So, round it back on. Kubota, so nice to use reusable zip ties for us folks. They even leave a little white tape where it belongs. How crazy is that? Can you get it back in though? Can you get it back in? Alright. And that's fuel filters. I'm gonna put that cover back on. You know, and sometimes you just don't bring a ratchet. They're all faithful here. Get that on there nice and tight. See how tight I left it on there since last time. Whew, perfect. Oh my god, that's good. Before I go anywhere, I'm getting cardboard. We got the cardboard. Oh my god, is it gonna fit? Is it gonna fit? Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. There you go. We're gonna make it fit. Come on. Courtesy Mower Performance front end parts. Helping my car get here on time. Alright, we're gonna have to put the it's gonna take a while. At least the fluid looks decent. Yeah, these dipsticks can get cranky over time. Alright, I got that pulled up. Oop. Alright, let's get this oil drain. Whoa, that's a mess. I'll do this in a couple pans. That's good. So I'm gonna completely drain all the oil, just like this, and then drain into the one behind me. Actually, I got a bucket. I brought a 5-gallon bucket. Yeah, don't look so clean anymore. Now it's in a clean white bucket. Yeah. Oh, it's getting windy again. Let's see how this goes. A little more coming up. That's good for now. Alright, let me get this dumped in there. Whew. Yeah, I can't do that. Quick, grab something. There's a little tiny hole in the middle. Looking good. How about here? Ooh, silver cap. Easy to remove. Thank you, Kubota. So a little burp. Ooh, look how clear and beautiful that new oil looks. Yeah, and this tractor is probably like a few of you folks out there. Not only does he use it, I literally think he lets his whole neighborhood back here use it, and probably his brother and everyone else. Well, this fan's looking good. Everything's looking good under here. Oof. Just got wafted in the face. Wear safety glasses if you're doing this, folks. And I wish I didn't forget. Ooh. Alright, let's just put that there for a moment. Let's go ahead and get the new filter. And I always seen people never point out this. And literally the directions right on the side. 1, lubricate. 2, hand tighten. 3 plus 3/4 turn. Oh my god, look at all that crap. That's disgusting. Oh my god, that's fucking gross up there. Ooh-wee. Front leaf. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna have to go, I got a rat right here. Let's see if we can clean this up a little better. I think when you power washed it, everything landed right above the oil filter here. I know it's scary, isn't it? No different than your dirt bike with a four-wheeler as a kid. Just clean it up. Make sure that surface is nice. Carefully get the new one on. It's only happened to me like 3 times in my life. But every now and then you get a filter that just doesn't want to turn for some reason. Yep, I'd get a new one. It's never happened to me from my dealership. But AutoZone, and then my buddy was getting filters from God knows where. Kept having trouble with them. So yeah, get your filters from a dealership. Never had any trouble. Yeah, that's good. Whew. Plug back in. Oh, I just got this rag saturated. My bad. My bad. I'll use it to clean it. Oh my god, don't forget to tighten that down. Don't forget to tighten it down. Don't have to go crazy. I'd say that's good. Alrighty, how was that? I'm sure that's gonna come out weird. Now let's put this oil filter. Just carefully get this dumped. Didn't spill a drop. Yeah, we don't need to put that stuff in there. Ugh. Yeah. Alright. Well. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to fill it up and take it into mission and get some new gloves on. Literally just dumped a gallon in, took a gallon from here, transferred it to here, because it's always tricky. Yeah, so I got a funnel in the transmission, and I got another funnel here to go into the funnel. I filled it up too high. So we're just gonna get a couple of gallons in this machine, and then we know we're good and safe. And then we'll run it, get the loader on, grease everything. The blades on, grease the mower deck, double check all the fluids. Getting filters on it, so we gotta get it running. Alright, and that's just as easy as doing this. We'll just open this back up. Okay. There we go. The solenoid click? Yep. Yeah, so let that run for a second, and I can already see fuel starting to get pushed through that filter right now. You're gonna have to let that run for 30 seconds. Alright, let's see if we have anything on the dipstick yet. Oh, I can't even see it down there yet. I can't. I've done this enough times where I know I can see the fluid down there starting to build up at the bottom there. Alright, so we'll get another gallon into here. And I'll turn this ignition off now as well. Alright. Let's make sure she runs. Right up. Looks suspicious. Alright, where are we left for parts? Air filter's done. All the filters are done. Oh, the blades. Alright. Alright, let me prepare this blade battle. Well, we'll do one blade together. Let's do the first one. The only tool I have here is a H14. Carefully balanced here. Is it gonna fall on me? Take this out. Let's take it out. I know I'm cheating. Just be sneaky. Balance. Blades in, right? Yeah. Oh, I need a battery. That's got to be nice and give them a little grease. In case we have to come back and do this again. Just like these are the washers in which if you really crank on something. Repeat this process 3 times. Looks like this deck is starting to wear out right here, maybe, I'm not sure. Definitely, he says he, yeah, leave a little grease in the end there for next time. Says this machine gets a real workout. Did it go, am I going down? I still got it. Alright. Well, that's way too tight. That's way too tight. There we go. There we go. 100 foot-pounds. Oh, come on, baby. As long as it balances just like that, we're alright. 2 more blades. Just like that. Running real low on footage. Do some serious
Hmm,
down load.
get
Get this loader attached, and we'll use the front end loader to check the front end fluid. Oh, he needs a new fuel shut-off solenoid. Slope, I'll use the brake. I did lubricate all these fittings with PB Blaster.